Listen Audiobook.
Welcome to Listen Audiobook channel. Today we present a full and powerful summary of one of the most influential financial books ever written, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book has transformed the mindset of millions of people about money, wealth, and financial freedom. In this video, you will learn the most important lessons, real-life experiences, and game-changing principles that separate the rich from the poor. So sit back, relax, and let's begin this journey together. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is built on Robert Kiyosaki's childhood experiences with two father figures. His biological father, whom he calls his poor dad, was a highly educated man with a stable job and a strong belief in traditional schooling. On the other hand, his best friend's father, whom he calls his rich dad, was a successful businessman who understood money and how wealth is created. The book compares the money mindset of these two fathers and shows how their different philosophies shaped Robert's future. Let's begin exploring the major lessons from Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Lesson 1. The rich don't work for money. Poor Dad believed in studying hard, getting good grades, and finding a secure job. He believed job security and steady salary were the keys to success. But Rich Dad believed something entirely different. He said that the rich do not work for money. Instead, they make money work for them. What does that mean? It means most people spend their lives working for someone else's dream, trading their time for money. But the rich build systems, businesses, and investments that generate money even when they are not working. Robert learned that fear and desire control people. Fear makes them stay in jobs they hate, and desire makes them spend everything they earn. To become rich, you must control these emotions and learn how money really works. Lesson 2. Why financial literacy matters. Financial education is the foundation of wealth. Schools teach us many subjects, but rarely teach us how to manage money. People can earn a lot, but still remain broke because they don't understand how money flows. Rich Dad taught Robert the difference between assets and liabilities. An asset puts money into your pocket. A liability takes money out. Most people think their house, car, or luxury items are assets, but they usually cost money every month. True assets include rental properties, businesses, stocks, bonds, royalties, and intellectual property. If you want to become rich, you must focus on growing your asset column, not your income. Having more income without assets only increases your expenses. Financial literacy teaches you how to create long-term wealth. Lesson 3. Mind your own business. Rich Dad encouraged Robert to focus on building his own assets rather than just working for others. Even if you have a job, you should not depend on it forever. Use your job as a learning platform while building your business or investments on the side. Poor Dad always said, "Work for the company." Rich Dad said, "Work for yourself." The lesson is to create a path where you are not fully dependent on a salary. Developing additional income streams gives you freedom. Whether it is real estate, a small business, stock investing, or creating digital products, you must start building your own business slowly and steadily. Lesson 4. The power of corporations and tax advantages. Rich Dad explained how the rich use corporations to protect money and reduce taxes legally. Employees work, earn income, pay taxes, and then live on what remains. But corporations earn income, spend on expenses, and pay taxes only on what is left. This structure allows the rich to keep more of their money. Corporations can include expenses for travel, meals, transportation, housing, and other business-related costs before taxes are calculated. The rich understand rules that poor and middle-class people never learn because they rely only on salaries. This lesson shows the importance of understanding tax laws, corporate structures, and legal ways to reduce tax burden. Lesson 5. The rich invent money. Robert learned that opportunities are everywhere, but only the financially educated can see them. Poor Dad believed opportunities were limited and only available to the lucky. But Rich Dad believed that you can create opportunities through knowledge and creativity. When markets crash or change, the rich look for new investment possibilities. They use their financial intelligence to analyze deals, understand risks, and make decisions. The rich do not wait for luck. They create their own luck. Inventing money means thinking creatively, taking calculated risks, and spotting value where others see fear or uncertainty. Knowledge gives you the confidence to take action. Lesson 6. Work to learn, not just to earn. Most people focus on earning a higher salary, but they never improve their skills. Rich Dad taught Robert to work for skills, not just money. It's like selling, marketing, negotiation, communication, networking, and leadership are far more valuable than a high paycheck. These skills allow you to survive in any economic condition. A person who knows how to sell, how to communicate, and how to manage money will never be broke. The lesson is to constantly learn new things. Whether you are working in an office, starting a business, or freelancing, your skills determine your value. Money follows those who have rare and useful skills. Lesson 7. Overcoming obstacles. Becoming rich is not only about money knowledge, it is also about emotional strength. Robert explains that fear, doubt, laziness, bad habits, and arrogance stop people from achieving financial success. Fear keeps people from taking risks. Doubt makes them avoid opportunities. Laziness prevents them from learning. Bad spending habits keep them broke. Arrogance makes them ignore valuable advice. Rich Dad always said that failure is an important part of success. Every successful investor has failed many times, but learned from each mistake. If you want to grow, you must step outside your comfort zone. Accept challenges, learn from losses, and keep moving forward. Lesson 8. Getting started. Kiyosaki gives simple steps to start your financial journey. First, clarify your reason for wanting to be rich. A strong purpose keeps you focused. Second, control your thoughts and emotions. Choose learning over excuses. Third, pay yourself first. It means investing in your future before spending on unnecessary things. Fourth, build a team of knowledgeable people, such as mentors, experts, and financial advisors. Fifth, start small, but stay consistent. Whether you invest a small amount in stocks or buy a small rental property, the key is to begin. Sixth, keep learning. Read books, attend seminars, and study how money works. Small steps taken consistently can create huge results over time. Lesson 9. Action steps to build wealth. Robert concludes the book with practical steps to apply the lessons. You should learn how to find good investments. You should practice analyzing deals and understanding cash flow. You must reduce liabilities and unnecessary spending. You should focus on building assets slowly but steadily. You can start a small side business, invest in real estate, or buy dividend-paying stocks. Understand the power of compounding. Create a long-term plan and review your progress. Wealth is built through small decisions repeated daily, not one-time actions. By following these steps, anyone can move toward financial independence. Now, let's bring all the lessons together in a clear summary. The rich make money work for them instead of working endlessly for a paycheck. Financial literacy is essential, and understanding assets versus liabilities is the core of wealth. Build your own business or investment portfolio to develop long-term freedom. Use legal structures like corporations to protect your income and lower taxes. Look for opportunities and be creative in making money. Learn valuable skills that increase your financial intelligence. Overcome fear, doubt, laziness, bad habits, and pride. Start early, stay consistent, and never stop learning. The message of Rich Dad, Poor Dad is simple yet powerful. Your financial future depends not on your salary, but on your mindset and your ability to grow assets. Anyone can become financially free with the right education, discipline, and habits. Wealth is not about luck. It is about preparation, knowledge, and smart decisions. As we reach the end of this summary, remember that the true power of this book lies in its ability to change your thinking. Once you learn how money works, you will never see the world the same way again. Every financial choice becomes a step toward freedom or a step toward limitation. The more you learn and apply, the faster you move toward independence. Thank you for listening to this Rich Dad, Poor Dad summary on the Listen Audiobook channel. If you found this content valuable, please like, share, and subscribe for more book summaries, knowledge content, and motivational audiobooks. Your support helps us grow and continue providing meaningful content. Thank you for joining us today. Keep learning, keep improving, and see you in the next video.